I'm Pacchia, and these are your Bloomberg Law headlines for the week. First up, 2012 was a banner year for jury awards in patent cases, Bloomberg News reports. Last year, we saw 7 cases with awards over $100 million, with 3 of those topping the $1 billion mark. Last year's largest award was for $1.17 billion. It was a verdict for Carnegie Mellon University, which successfully sued Marvell Technology Group for infringing on its integrated circuit patents. Meanwhile, the number of securities fraud class action suits filed in 2012 dropped 19%. That's according to a report by Stanford Law School and the Cornerstone Research Group. The 152 cases filed in 2012 represented the second smallest number in the past 19 years. Next up, law firm hiring was up in 2012, but don't get carried away just yet. While the legal sector added 7,800 jobs last year, it grew at a slower rate than the broader economy did. Still, legal hiring grew 0.7% faster last year than it did in 2011, so things are improving, albeit very, very slowly. Finally, we need to talk about Justice Scalia's presidential inauguration hat. This thing, right here. What is that? University of Richmond School of Law Professor Kevin Walsh says it's a St. Thomas More hat. It was given to the justice by the St. Thomas More Society for his participation in the group's Red Mass in 2010, but it may have more to do with keeping his head warm than religion. Justice Stephen Breyer wore a similar skull cap at the inauguration, and he's Jewish. So that brings us to the question of the week. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most fantastic ever, just how awesome is Justice Scalia's inauguration hat? Tell us what you think in the comments. That's what we have for this week. I'm Pacchia. Thank you for watching. See you next week.